anyone with tenure and experience could close 100 loans a year. Everyone felt like they made $1 million and they're the greatest thing that ever walked the universe. And now people just kind of got the soul sucked out of them with the market. And you know what's really cool is I counted this morning while I was getting ready for this. I had 47 people DM me within 2 hours of our last call, thanking them for just giving them energy. So many of us get on weekly calls with our CEOs or whoever at our company, and it's, well, when rates come down, well, when this happens, instead of shifting the energy away from let's talk about what sucks in the market to just like, how do we go get more business? How do I close another loan tomorrow? How do I pick up a new referral partner or a new builder? As soon as you shift the mindset and shift the energy, all of a sudden everything changes. And everywhere you see opportunity instead of seeing the pitfalls and the downfalls. I used to watch the news and all I saw on the news was people talking about the housing market. Now I've shifted my mindset. I don't think I notice it at all anymore because it's just in your mind. And in my head, when someone asks me about the market, I'm like, the market's awesome right now. We have people who can get accepted offers. We have people who can buy homes. Everyone can have people who can buy homes. It's just going to find the people and just truly shifting the mindset.
It was beautiful.